N function converts non-number value to a number. Dates and times to serial numbers, true to 1, false to 0, anything else to 0. This function has only one argument. In value argument, select the cell reference or type the value that you want to convert. In value box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns number in this cell. Because this cell contains a number value. As a result, function returns number in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click N function. In value box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns 0 because this cell contains a logical value false. If any cell has logical value false, this function returns 0. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns 0 in this cell because this cell contains a text value. Function converts this text value to number and returns 0 in this cell. Active this cell. This cell has price value with $currency. Function removes $currency and returns number in this cell. Active this cell. This cell has number error value. Function returns same error value in this cell. Active this cell. Function returns 1 in this cell because this cell has logical value true. These two cells have date and time values. Function converts these two values in serial number format. This cell has text value because number 34 is between quoted marks. As a result, function returns 0 in this cell.